Introduction. Welcome to A Healthier You. Congratulations. By picking up this guide, you've already taken a significant first step toward transforming your life. Whether you're here to lose weight, improve your health, or simply feel better in your body, this guide is your roadmap to a healthier, happier version of yourself. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the chaos of unhealthy habits, stress, and conflicting information about what it really takes to get in shape and stay healthy. With so many fad diets, miracle pills, and quick fix promises out there, it can be frustrating to know where to start. But this isn't about short-term fixes. It's about sustainable changes that will not only help you lose weight, but also improve your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. This guide is based on science, not fads, and is designed to help you lose 20 kilograms in 6 months, all while building healthy habits that will last a lifetime. We'll focus on 3 key areas that are critical for achieving sustainable weight loss and maintaining a normal BMI or body mass index. 1. Healthy eating. You'll learn how to fuel your body with nutrient-rich whole foods that support weight loss without leaving you feeling deprived. Plus, we'll cover the importance of avoiding the 3 S's, sugar, salt, and saturated fat, and show you how small changes in your diet can lead to big results. 2. Exercise. We'll break down the best ways to incorporate both cardio and strength training into your routine, even if you're just starting out. You don't need hours in the gym, just the right plan. Lifestyle habits. From getting quality sleep to, managing stress, this guide will help you understand how these often overlooked aspects of your life are critical to your weight loss journey. Why is maintaining a normal BMI so important? Your BMI is more than just a number, it's a key indicator of your overall health. A normal BMI, which is between 18.5 and 24.9, means you're less likely to face chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. When your BMI is within a healthy range, you feel lighter, move more easily, and have more energy to enjoy life. Maintaining a normal BMI also improves mental health, boosting confidence and reducing anxiety. But beyond the physical and emotional benefits, a normal BMI ensures that you are living life to its fullest. By focusing on creating a balanced and sustainable lifestyle, this guide will help you achieve and maintain that healthy weight. You may wonder why we've set the goal of losing 20 kilograms over the next 6 months. The reason is simple. It's realistic and sustainable. Crash diets and extreme exercise routines may give quick results, but they often lead to burnout and weight regain. Slow and steady weight loss, around 3 to 4 kilograms per month, allows your body to adapt, your habits to solidify, and your mindset to shift. This way, once you reach your goal, you'll be equipped with the tools to maintain your success. This isn't just about losing weight, it's about creating lasting change. You'll discover how small, consistent efforts can make a massive impact over time. Whether you've tried to lose weight before, or this is your first serious attempt, this guide is designed to motivate, educate, and empower you every step of the way. As you progress through this guide, you'll not only learn what to do, but also why it works. Understanding the science behind weight loss, healthy eating, and exercise will help you make informed decisions and stay committed to your journey. You'll also discover strategies for overcoming common obstacles, like cravings, plateaus, and staying motivated when progress seems slow. Remember, every transformation begins with a single step. You've already made that step by starting this guide, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to achieve your goals and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. So let's get started. The best version of yourself is waiting, and with this guide, you'll have the blueprint to make it happen. Here's to the next 6 months of progress, persistence, and powerful change.